how I got married at 19. Cute, simple hairstyle. Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm Ajaya Monet. Today I'm going to be styling my hair again. Okay. So I've been doing like a half up, half down the past like couple of days. I think I'm gonna do something similar. Just slick down the front. Maybe do like a bun in the back. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay. So I'm gonna start by probably parting. We're gonna do a rough part. I'm probably gonna leave a lot less out this time. Yeah, what you wanna do? You want to do your hair too? Ooh. Ooh. Him is handsome. How him get so handsome? You know? You do know. You get it from your mama. Yeah? Alright. So I'm just gonna split the back of this. Snappy. I shouldn't say that. Tangled. Very tangled.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they never understand.
Probably gonna try to get one today. I'm probably gonna leave out like that. Up that chair back. Like I said, rough part. Because I'm just gonna slick it back. Oh, you still gonna brush your hair? But you are. Oh. Let's see how much hair. What that look like? Look like a little bit more on that side. A little bit more down on this side. I want to do a story time. But I'm not really sure where to start. What's wrong? Massage your back. Massage your back. There you go. You okay? I'm not gonna let you fall. What would you like? Yeah. Well, let me get you one. Let's not eat that. You want this one? This color? No. Okay. What about this color?
5 minutes later.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, that look about the same. What you think? It look about the same? Yeah, it do, don't it? Yeah, I'm gonna probably do like a little pony back here. What you think? I was thinking like a bun. Yeah. So, first, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna wet the back part right here and add like some gel just so it'll stay down because I kind of want it to look wet most of the day. I don't really want it to be dry. So I'll be back when I'm done wetting it. Okay, so I wet it. I'm hoping that my shirt doesn't get wet this time. Yes, baby. Wanna get down? I think he heard a song he liked or something. I'm gonna use the Big Papa gel again. And I'm just gonna put this on here. I should probably let's brush it a little bit. Let me use my Tangle teaser. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. No, we're not. We're gonna use the unbrush. The unbrush. Don't do what I'm doing. Please thoroughly detangle your hair. Please. Don't follow this part. The other side, I'm gonna try to finger detangle it first, cause that my hair just tangles up so bad, so easy. Yeah, let's not do that. We're gonna finger detangle the other side first. All right, we got the gel. We're just gonna add that to the top. Add that finger, we'll rake it through. All right. What time is it? Right. So I'm just finger detangling this out, make it a little bit easier to brush through. Still don't think I detangle good enough, child. All right. Gone. Next, I'm gonna add some gel to this side. Yes. I do want to do a story time though. I just don't know where to start. Like, kind of want to tell y'all about my life, how I came to be here now. I guess the person that I am. A mom. That mom. What am I doing currently, you know? So this back part is gonna be just laid down. Well, and then I'm gonna just probably split up this part at the top. Wet it a little bit, a lot of it. Gonna wet it down each section and then slick both parts down. Yes. You want to do your hair too, huh? No. You always coming in here messing with the stuff. So I'll be back once I've wet both sides and once I finish slicking it down. Don't pay attention to that. That's what my mom hair fell out. It's growing back though. It's growing back. Let's pray that this works. If not, it's going into a ponytail. All of it is going into a ponytail. Some type of ponytail. Maybe I need to clip this part down. My head look big. Booty, did my head look big? Come tell me. Mama. I don't know if I like that. What y'all think? I think more hair should have been left out at the back. It looks a little sparse.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay. Oh. Do it look airy over here? It looks airy a little bit. Maybe it's the window. Okay. Not too bad. All right. This is what the hair ended up being. I did like a little bun. Half up, half down. Don't forget, if you'd like to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm thinking about doing a story time. I'm thinking maybe how I got married at 19, moved 4,000 miles away from home. Let me know if you want to see that. Cute, simple hairstyle.